Do you have a retirement fund? Do you have sufficient money in your retirement fund to allow you to go on retirement? Well, I had a look at mine and I definitely needed to top it up because life has become so expensive. Every year we need more and more money just to keep up our standard of living. I do not want to struggle in my old age, and I do not want to have to ask anybody for help. That is why I decided to top up my pension fund. My name is Moira and I run a small business from home, but that can also be very unpredictable. Some months are good and others not that good, and the expenses always remain the same. And that is actually why I looked to do something online. And I came across digital marketing. I joined digital marketing and that was the best decision I ever made. I only need to work 2 hours a day. I earn dollars and I make 100% profit. All I needed was a cell phone and Wi-Fi to do this business. And it is so easy. It's a beginner-friendly program that you learn step by step how to do it. If I could do it, anybody else can do it. So if you would like to build onto your pension fund or perhaps save for something that you'd like to do, why don't you WhatsApp me pension and I will send you all the details for you to see what it is all about.